In this video, I will show you how to get the Google Play Store on Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to get started with this, what you want to do is open up a new internet browser, come across to google.com and just do a Google search for BlueStacks. Once you've done that, what you want to do is find the BlueStacks website, which is bluestacks.com. Give that a click and that's going to take you to a website like this. Now BlueStacks is a emulator, so what that allows you to do is play Android games and basically access the Google Play Store on your PC or even your Mac. All you need to do from here is click the download button. You're going to see a download BlueStacks button. And what it's going to do is download the installer onto your PC. Once it's downloaded, what you can do is open this in your downloads folder and just run the installer to install BlueStacks on your PC. So you just want to agree to the terms, and once it's installed, what you can do is click the blue launch button. Once BlueStacks has loaded through, this is what it's going to look like. And to actually access the Google Play Store from here, if you come up to the top and in the toolbar, you're going to see this little home button. Give that a click and that's going to take you across to the home screen. Now on here you're going to see system apps. What you want to do is give that a click. It's going to open a window like this, and as you can see you've got the option for Play Store here. So all you need to do is give that a click. At this point it's going to ask you to log in with your Google account. I've already done that, but basically once you've logged in you'll have full access to the Google Play Store and you'll be able to download all the apps from here and play them on your PC or Mac. So that's how to get the Google Play Store on Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.